upgrade.
Hey, upgrade?
Put a radio in it.
Oh,
Hey?
chick flick.
Get the chick flick. Yeah, you're gonna. That'll be all over the internet tomorrow.
You smoothie.
Yeah.
Go on, these dapper young men. Yeah.
Stuck them down the side.
Ah. What?
Yeah, but you have to blame Colin. His fuel pump packed up. Morning.
Oh, he just told me about the upgrade on the thing. Must be the day for that.
Just got to the end of your road and the bloody thing's
His fuel pump
Gary-
packed up.
Gary-
So he gave it a wallop and
Yeah.
it started
Oh,
again.
excellent.
He told it to behave himself.
And poor Gary, his battery's dead. It's been on trickle charge, but it's as dead as a dodo.
What now?
Yeah. But apparently it's
Not me.
not this Gary. No. No.
Oh, the other Gary.
Yeah, Gary Reeves.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, right.
Yeah.
These things tend to send to try us.
Well, it's all part of the job, isn't it? It's like, I mean,
At least we know we can fix them.
See, I was a bit worried I wouldn't be able to get fuel in because I couldn't find my car keys. I've got a spare set, but I've got no spare fuel key. Yeah, moral of that tale is get yourself a spare fuel kit. So we're going to continue up the 11:45.
Oh,
Right, so we're turning right.
Yeah.
Initially we're taking your route that you took
to West Raynham.
to West Raynham,
Okay.
but we're gonna
Go
go
somewhere. Yeah, don't tell me. I like mystery tours.
Right.
I'll go at the back, Johnny, if you want.
Well, it's entirely up to you. Have we got? I thought Alan would probably like a rather than bacon and eggs, would probably like cockroach cluster.
Oh, I knew you.
And
A bug sandwich.
your bug sandwich,
Bug
yeah.
sandwich, yeah.
But no, bug and chips.
Oh! You know what he's got to end up having.
Yeah, same as me. Full English.
Yeah, full English.
Full English.
Well,
The breakfast sounds quite good actually. It's an old. I did check that they did an all-day breakfast. Right. So. Cockroach cluster for two?
What, sorry?
I said a cockroach cluster for two.
Cockroach. We've been there before.
Beetles and chips? Well, you have with the Moggy Club, haven't you? Yeah. Yeah.
are we on camera, John?
You're on camera, yeah.
You're on camera.
Yeah,
You want my best profile?
I do, yeah, go on, yeah.
No,
Yeah,
it's
thank you very much for watching. Much appreciated. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Many thanks, Johnny Warner.